Hello there, Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the July box of the month from Not Too Shabby. It's called Insect Cuties, and it's cute. There are 2 stamp sets, 3 paper pads, 1 sheet of gems, ephemera, and shaker elements in this box. You can see all the kit contents here, but we're going to dive in and take a closer look. All right, first let's take a look at the new stamp sets for the July box of the month from Not Too Shabby. They're both designed by Teresa Russell, and they are adorable little insects. So this one right here is called Buzzy Bees. So all the insects in here are little bees, and they have just cute little like flowers. This one has a crown. This one's holding a heart. Just sweet little faces. And this one is the reverse image of this and a little bit smaller. I love that. And then you have 4 sentiments in here. We belong together. Be wonderful. Be kind. Let's be friends. So I thought that was so very cute. And they have the sweetest faces. Okay, so this set right here is called Insect Cuties, and we have a ladybug here. This one could be a bee, again, with different flowers, so you can mix and match that. And then we have our little butterfly with the flowers, and then we have a mama snail and a baby snail. Oh my word, you snailed it. Beautiful as a butterfly. Happy birthday. Even the tiniest things can be, what does this say? Miracles. I can't read. Even the tiniest things can be miracles. And then it says, hello, my friend. So it's 2 super cute stamp sets in here this month. And then we have some really cool embellishment things. So let's move on to that. And first we'll look at the ephemera pack. So I like to just cut the top off of mine, so I kind of have a little pouch that I can just get in and out of really easily. So let's take a look at all the things in this month's ephemera pack. Beehive, hello beautiful. There's one of the stamped images all colored out so you can see how cute it is. I love these kind of things that are images you can use to build a scene or make a background or just embellish your cards. We have a heart that's like honey dripping. Oh my cute. Here's one of the little bees with the flowers. So precious. There's the ladybug. Here's a little bee just enjoying some honey. Maybe napping there. Look at this one popping up out of the honey pot. So these are going to coordinate with the stamped images, but aren't the exact images in the set. So it kind of just extends the life of what you already have going on with the stamp set. He's adorable. I love that one. So now we have the bigger sizes of these. Same images, just a larger size. Oh my cute. And then there's the tiny one. Look at him holding the honey pot and winking. I love it. So very sweet. You could make baby cards with these. Wouldn't they be precious? I love that there's 3 different sizes. There's the snails. Oh, I love the sizes that are differing, so you can really make different size cards, mini cards, slimlines. You know I'm all about the slimline. So there you have it. There's your ephemera pack. Such cute things. All right, so I'm going to save these now back in my little pouch. I bent that one. Oh my word. And then I will have them for later. I like these too for like the inside of your card, or maybe even to embellish an envelope, you know, to put at the seam of the envelope where it closes is really fun too. So there's the ephemera pack that comes in the July box. And then we have papers. There are 3 packs of paper this month because we have this new Watercolors embossed slimline paper. Now, when I say embossed, it's faux embossed. We have the Busy Bee paper pad and the summer flowers. So let's take a look at each of these. Let's start with the slimline because I'm so curious. This is a new thing in this box. They don't normally have a slimline paper pad. So This is really cool. You know, I love Slimline and I love rainbow, so this is really cool. Now, like I said, the embossing is faux embossing. So that image looks like it's pressed into the paper, but it's not. Nice and smooth. This is very heavyweight cardstock, very smooth, very, it's a heavier weight than some papers. There's 24 designs and 2 of each sheet, and they measure 4 by 9. But I love the color variation in these. It's just like you put some adhesive on this, stick it on your card base, and go. So they have this very floral pattern. This does have a name. I want to say it, but I know I'll get it wrong, like fleur-de-lis or look to them. So they differ a little bit, or are they the same? Yeah, some of them are a little different. This is the same as that, but then see, this one has a different one. So it's like every other paper has a different pattern. So this is going to repeat then on the blue. I don't know. Some of them are the same and some are different. They're not all exactly the same. This really light blue. That's cool. That'll be good for a scene of a sky with the little bees on it. I don't know if I'm doing a very good job of showing you this paper or just really looking through it myself. Can you see the pattern there? It's really pretty. This side really is bold, and you can see that faux embossing much easier on that pattern. But then some of them are a little bit more subtle, which is nice that you have the choice. I mean, this, when I hold it in my hand, I have to touch it because I feel like it's going to be raised up. They did a really good job with that. It's really awesome. There you have it. So a whole rainbow of that faux embossed paper. Really nice finish on there. And again, 24 sheets, and you get 2 of each design. Double-sided. Okay, now let's look at summer flowers. This is going to go really nice with that bee and insect stuff, I think. Having a little floral background. This looks like wallpaper. So sweet. My daughter would probably like this. She likes like cottage looking things. So this one is a 6x6 paper pad, and it has 4 each of all the designs for a total of 24 sheets. A really soft ombre on this one. Oh, sweet, precious flowers. So 4 of those. Okay, now let's just gather up the 4. Look at that. So pretty. This is like a pink version of this one. Then we have another kind of ombre, really soft pink to yellow with flowers. So it's these flowers, but it's got the pink, green, yellow, pink in the background. So it really gives it a different feel. Now we have these tiny clusters of flowers, and it's got a little cross pattern of some like vine in it with a light green background. Another ombre, this time pink, yellow, green, almost the whole rainbow. Oh, this one's gorgeous. This is the last one with the white background, the flowers a little bit bigger, repeating. And polka dots. I mean, you have to have polka dots. You can't go wrong, right? So there is the summer flowers, 24 pieces, and you're going to get 4 of each design. So if you love it, you're going to have plenty of it. So don't be afraid to use it. Do you ever like not want to use a piece of your patterned paper because you love it so much? Yeah, me too. All right, let's take a look now at the Busy Bees. I'm really excited about this one too. Look at these cute things. Another 24 pack, 4 of each design. Look at the bees on the light yellow. There's bigger and smaller bees. On the back, we've got some daisies with bees. Here we have honeycomb pattern. Daisies with bees, but yellow background versus blue. I love how they do that. So if you love a pattern, you can usually find it again with a different colored background, which is fun to mix and match on one card also. We've got honey pots with the little honey drizzle stick and the bees, and repeated on the back, but white. So look at that. That's cool. I love this one, kind of like a polka dot pattern, but it has hexagons instead with this golden yellowish tan color. And then we've got some floral images on the back. They're kind of like twigs with like little berries or pods on them. That's really subtle and nice. White background with the daisies. So you have yellow, blue, white, and the bees. And then we've got dripping honey repeated over that background. This one, love the honeycomb, the bees, the drizzle stick, the honey pot with the light yellow background. And then this one, oh my goodness, the same honeycombs we saw before with the white background now has this brown background. Such cool papers. Ooh. They, again, very heavyweight. Are a nice weight of background paper, very sturdy. And then we have some embellishments. So we have this rainbow of embellishments by Gina Marie Designs, and they're little gems. They have the adhesive on the back, and they go with this month's kit. Any color you want right there, ready to go. And then we have some embellishments here that are little clay flowers, and there's also some like iridescent sequin pieces mixed in. So wouldn't that be so much fun for a shaker? Or you can even add these little flowers, just glue them down in and around your scene. Yeah, I think those are fabulous. Plenty in there to do both. So let's take another look real quick at all the things in the July box of the month from Not Too Shabby. Slimline paper with that embossing. Don't forget your ephemera. And your 2 adorable custom designed for Not Too Shabby. So they're exclusive to the Not Too Shabby shop, designed by Teresa Russell. And there's the whole box right there. So it's such a great value. This is like, you can subscribe and get this every month. If you go really fast at the beginning of the month, you can usually get one before they sell out. And then a lot of the individual pieces will be available at the Not Too Shabby shop if the box does sell out, usually for sure on the stamp sets and the paper packs. So if you're watching this and it's after the first week of July, you're probably going to look for the individual pieces, okay? So I will have them named out in the description box below, so you can try to find them separately as well as in the box. And stay tuned, because I will be making some cards with these fabulous things very, very soon. Well, those cards have already been made and they are right here for you to check out. I loved all the things in this box so much, I wanted to make a bunch of cards. So the video I'm sharing with you is hacks on how to make multiple cards. I'm going to have a link for it on the very last screen of this video, so you can click right over and watch that video next. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I love sharing my creations with you and new things that I love. I will see you all again soon on the next video. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe, because I have new videos all the time. I'll see you soon. Happy stamping. Bye.